Before any electrical work, please disconnect your battery. What's up everyone, Scarlett here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove an alternator from this 2003 Boxster S with a 3.2 liter engine. Alright, so first we gotta take off the right side passenger seat, and that has 4 inverted Torx bolts. Alrighty, so after you take the seat out, you're gonna have to take off the side cover on the side, and that has a small 8 little millimeter bolt. You just loosen it up a little bit and then you are able to sneak it out. And then there are like little washers underneath here. You can easily lift it up. There's 4 of them. You just unscrew it with your fingers. It's pretty simple. It's not hard to unscrew. And then there's a rug cover that you take that off. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts and nuts that you have to take off. And then after that, you go to your tensioner right here, right there. It is a size 24. You're able to get in there with a ratchet and a short socket. Just loosen that up. You're able to move your belt out of the way, and then you loosen this up and the bolt right here, and then you just pry this out, and you should be able to get your alternator out. Also, you got to disconnect the cables that are in the back of this, and on top of that, don't forget to disconnect your battery to begin with. Alrighty, so after fighting this alternator, I finally got it out. You gotta like shift it this way, where this piece goes over on this side. Originally it's back behind that. And then you should be able to take it out and disconnect your wirings. Just be careful. And then you put it all back in reverse order. I struggled a little bit. But what do you get when you work on Euro cars? Anyways, hopefully this video helped. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!